I I was feeling Swatantra with 73 others, and so we out here, and well, you know where. I have a cold, and there's disturbance in the audio because we decided to do this last minute, and yes. Well, I'm here to talk about something I kind of wanted to make a video about for a very long time to market it. But last Independence Day, I had a pretty great Azadi moment, and this is a script. I'm referring to it. I don't have a teleprompter, and I don't have the time to memorize the script. So, in my top 10 Azadi must-watch epic compilations is the fact that last Independence Day I filed an RTI. Like I went to www.rtionline.gov.in and filed the quirkiest RTI known to mankind. And since it is Independence Day, I'm sure that the government has texted you to upload a selfie with the on hargartiranga.com with the flag in your hand. And since they started that last year, I had asked them how much money did they spend on it, and what did they do with the data, who could access the data, and so on and so forth. After filing the application on Independence Day and then filing the first appeal, the Ministry of Culture told us that 2 crores were spent on building the website and 9 crores 48 lakhs 43,515 rupees were spent marketing the initiative just last year. This is a reply we got in October of 2022. And interestingly, about the data thing, they told us that only the names and photographs were collected, and the data collected from hargartiranga.com had no data segregation tools used, and that no agencies or businesses were provided access to the data. That was mighty interesting because the website by itself has a map that shows the data segregated by states. So I am not sure how did they do that without gathering the data of where the picture was uploaded from. They do tell us in this RTI that no geotagging was used while doing this. And all of this came to light after the second appeal. Now, unfortunately, I'm not a perfect citizen, so I didn't go to the Central Information Commission asking how come they were able to segregate the data by state while never collecting anything more than names and photographs of people. So, but that's fine. That's not the point of the video. The point of the video is that, I mean, I did a cringe thing by filing an RTI. And if you also want to be a cringe citizen and do citizengiri, maybe you should consider that. I mean, ask them if there's the RTI mechanism and its impact is in our civics books, or when was the last time they changed the light bulbs on your street? Anything. Just make it a digital hygiene thing. Every Independence Day, file one RTI. For example, I intend to ask them what kind of data sets that do they acquire on hargartiranga.com, and also if there was an office memorandum sent to some government offices to upload selfies on the website. And keep it Swatantra, I guess. Done.